Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix MARVEL Tokon, Fighting Souls network error, or anti-cheat module missing. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial, so follow me step by step to fix your problem. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions, mention me in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, on your Steam, go ahead and click on Library right over here. Right click on your game, click on Manage, and browse local files. Over here, you should be able to see Easy Anti-Cheat. Even though I clicked on the non-Marvel game Tokon, it has still the Easy Anti-Cheat in the same process as well. So go ahead and click on the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. And over here, you should be able to see the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup right over here. Once here, go ahead and right click, create a shortcut. Once the shortcut is created, go ahead and right click on the shortcut, properties, and on the shortcut, go to the end of this line over here, press space, open quotation. Now make sure you to have this open quotation, okay? Open quotation, type and repair right over here, and then close quotation. Make sure to put this exactly, okay? And then put a space on the end as well. Click on apply and then okay. Once done, go ahead and launch your Easy Anti-Cheat, and this will repair any corrupted files for your Easy Anti-Cheat and even your network error. Once done, go back to your game and your game should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.